what's going on? Hey, what's going on? What the hell's that? Hey, what's up, guys? We are gonna go. I woke up early this morning, a little earlier than usual, like 7. Anyways, so we're gonna go to it's Rising Coffee here, Detail Garage, Southeast Houston. We're gonna check out the cars, see what's up. Maybe get a coffee if we get any, because they did say there was gonna be coffee and donuts there. So I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna call my homeboy Gerardo and see if he's gonna go or not, because we talked about it last night. But you know, it's another day, it's morning, and he might not be in the mood. So I'll get back with you guys, and when I get back with you guys, I will probably be over there already. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm ready to roll. I'm just waiting for my homeboy. There he is. Oh. Listo, bro?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Alright, bro.
My cousin's running with us.
Okay, yeah, that's what's up.
He's gonna bring the camera.
Oh, hell yeah, for sure. Hey, man, hopefully we'll be right in the front, you know what I'm saying? So this guy just came and slapped his propaganda right here on my car. Hey, bro, you're supposed to be competition, dog. You can't be doing
bro.
that.
But we gotta help each other, though.
Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, hell yeah, man. We gotta support each other.
Gotcha, dog. But I mean, I'm gonna tell you this, though. You can't leave those there, dog. That ain't gonna happen.
No, I'm just gonna go and put them on my truck, bro.
Okay, let's do that.
I tried to, though. Man. I mean, it's just like pedo way.
All right. Nah, man, you can put them on there if you want, but you know, I gotta be like somewhere where nobody can see them.
Like right here, bro. I'll make you some, bro. Like
I'm not gonna lie, dude. That's catchy as hell.
I know, bro.
Yeah, that's catchy.
I'm gonna put them on my truck. I'm scratching your car, bro.
Nah, that's all good, bro.
It's ceramic coated?
Yeah, ceramic coated. You ain't gotta worry about it.
You just apply some heat to it and the scratches will go.
That's all you gotta do, bro. Just like in the videos on Facebook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know.
I mean,
you can fucking get a knife and just knife it, and yeah,
you put some alcohol in it. And
yeah,
we'll go away.
Good to go. Yeah,
I need that shit on my truck, bro. Let me get my little cousin with so he can come out.
Yeah, it's all good.
So we can know.
Maybe because it's barely waking up.
Nah, he knew I was coming already. Let me call him real quick. I'm ready, bro, to pull up and be like, I'm the cook.
Already.
I'm right here outside, bro.
I wish it was an LS6.
Why you gonna be putting your sticker on your family's car, bro?
I had to, dog. I gotta promote somehow.
Let me see
Look, nah, the truck don't got it, because you know my dad don't like stickers.
Last time, bro,
My brother's car's got it.
Last time, I saw your mom going through the train tracks, and we were like, "Oh, look, that's Freddie's mom." They're like, "Nah, it's
and
not."
you saw the sticker.
And then the sticker. That's Freddie's mom.
You're like, no, that's her. Yeah. Hey, nobody else got that sticker.
I know, bro, but yeah.
I didn't even wash it, bro. Like, the only thing I did was wipe down the wheels kind of half-assed, because it was kind of cold. I didn't feel like,
bro, plus we're ceramic coated. So
yeah, ceramic coated, so I ain't gotta do nothing, you know.
Debris, everything, bro. Water will just slide through the paint where you.
Yeah, bro.
You're good, man. You're good.
This guy.
You're good. That's why I don't worry about my wrap, bro. Like, so.
Hey, it was clean, bro. You washed it last night, huh?
No, bro.
Yeah, you did. You washed it last night.
Yeah, bro. I did not know this. Man.
Oh, yeah, pull out.
Puro troqueando. Así voy a ahorita
That's a clean ass truck. It's a clean ass truck, bro. I like it.
Yeah, bro. Thank you.
You build it pretty nicely, you know, with the lift and everything.
Oh, yeah, bro. Yeah. I got
took you a while to like save up to get all that, you know?
Bro, I got some Lamborghini suspension on the front, bro.
Yeah.
Some Ferrari on the back.
Yeah.
What a bitch, country cut.
You had to go to like salvage yard and find a suspension from a Lamborghini and a Ferrari?
Pretty much, bro. Yeah. NSX engine, bro.
Yeah. How much that cost you?
Like $1,000.
Oh, that's cheap, bro. I thought it'd be like, you know, like 10, 20 grand or something like that, you know?
I got a hookah, bro.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah, no, but that's why, bro, whenever I rep it, it sounds like a lawnmower.
Okay.
That's why.
I'll follow you. It's kind of far, right?
Yeah, bro, it's like 45 minutes, bro, but with NS6 engine, bro.
Yeah.
Want to be LS6, bro?
Yeah, I got you.
We'll make it there like in 5 minutes.
I got you. Awesome. Let's get to it.
Yeah, stay tuned.
So we're here. It's a little early though. There's not that many cars here. Hopefully we get some more. How's it going? Oh, you're the owner, right?
One of them.
Okay, okay. One of them. Got you. Yeah, this is one of the owners from Detail Garage from here.
Yeah. My
What's his
homeboy over
name?
here,
Yeah.
Mr. Detail Garage.
Mr. Detail Garage. All right. Hey, what was your name again, bro? I didn't even get your name.
Kevin.
Kevin? Okay. Yeah. Ooh, check out the Miata. Yeah.
Bitch is bad, huh?
Oh, yeah, this bitch is sick.
I like this fucking Camaro, bro.
Yeah, I really like the Camaro, bro.
Oh, abrió y cerró los ojitos, bro.
Oh, no,
Se hizo así el vato, güey.
Little mean looking little Miata. Yeah, cuz it looks like you're dripping a little bit of oil.
That's like the Taquache way, bro. Oh, that's water, bro.
Leaking power.
It's leaking.
Hey, it's from the axle.
Huh?
Yeah, but it's just water.
Water?
Yeah, it's just water, bro.
Oh, bro, it's because...
No, never mind.
It's because the Lamborghini suspension, bro.
Lamborghini suspension?
Yeah, bro. Bro, it is oil.
Yeah, it's
From
from
where?
the axle.
Is it expensive?
I don't think. Clean as STI. Pretty cool wheels. Damn, this thing is nice. ¿Qué haciendo Tacuache?
Yeah, bro, tacuachando, bro.
Nomás está pucheando, ¿qué?
Over with the
With the what?
con la pinche tarjeta, güey. Se van a volar, güey.
La pinche tarjeta?
Oh, no, brother.
Oh man, we got some tacos over there. Last time I had tacos from here, they were delicious. So,
I'll make my fish up there.
You make one?
Yeah.
So, right, make one.
you have a sticker machine?
Yeah.
Hey, y'all have YouTube or what?
Yeah, I do. I started not too long ago. So, you know, if you want to follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, everything.
Okay, I got you.
That's what's up.
YouTube?
Yeah, man. 30 subs. 30 S. My bad, right? My bad, right? There you go. Awesome, bro.
30 subs first?
Yeah, almost 100 subscribers. Woo, almost 100.
For real, bro?
Almost, yeah.
I just started my page like
This guy's
subscribe,
face hating.
subscribe, and I'll send you a free sticker, and they'll be like, subscribing, bro.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, man.
What's up, bro? I'm subscribing, but you gotta make the sticker first.
Let me see,
Okay.
bro. Let me see. Hey, I want to see if it's true. Let me see the 400 subscribers. What's your YouTube? Let me see, bro. We
Like
got
my
right
channel
here.
could.
Me da shy with la camera, güey.
Nah, well, if you got 400 subscribers, you shouldn't be shy. Come on.
I don't want you to be hating, güey.
What is? I want to hate. I want to hate. Come on.
Bro. I know
wanna
how it
hate.
is, güey. I know how it is with the tacuaches, güey.
Hey, bro, you're the one wearing the Honda gas hat, bro. Not me.
Ya no.
All con la rocks, red Nike shoes.
With the, but hey, con la troca stocks. Oh.
Güey, la acabo de comprar, güey, la semana pasada.
Hey, wait. I just bought mine.
I saw you, güey.
Hey, you mind being on YouTube or not? Okay. Homeboy right there's got that clean ass truck over there. We'll go check it out in a little bit. Yeah, it's clean. I told them like it's a clean truck, dude.
Yeah, this was nice. Polish up the rims a little bit, get this whole shiny again.
Yeah.
Hey, bro. I wet sand this off for you, bro. What's up? I wet sand it for you.
Hey, didn't he just ask for a detail? But he's over here trying to wet sand
Look,
it.
bro, I'll help you out. You help me out.
I'm gonna stop recording for a little bit. My hand's getting tired.
¿Tiene pain o qué, güey?
It don't matter, bro. Just cover
Yeah,
that.
you good, bro. You good.
Playboy.
I mean, if you were a real detailer, now you claim on that hoe right now.
Yeah, bro.
Alcohol, you know, and make.
What's up, bro? Got some Playboy in my truck, bro.
Este vato, güey.
No, güey, la grasa lo hace más brilloso, no hay pedo.
Right on top of Mondo's paint, they're gonna be like, hey man, I need your paint job. How much?
Hell
Okay,
yeah,
that
man,
way.
we call this.
Just believe, bro. You got it.
You want a level?
Este vato,
You
güey.
can pull out a level. You're moving too slow, bro. I gotta do a lot of editing. Damn.
Come on, güey. I gotta see this.
You know, like you did on purpose.
Look in the description, go check them out.
Puta madre.
Oh god.
You got it?
If y'all do call this guy for a detail, let me know. I'll get 10% for the promotion.
There we go.
10%. $100 detail, I get $10.
Yeah, bro. For sure. You know how it
A
is.
full wax job, $500, I get $50.
Make this sticker over a sticker.
No, todavía no, güey. Eso te lo quito.
Bro, take it slow, bro. Like, you know, like you're pulling out real
Like
slow.
love, bro. Show some love.
I've known you.
Oh, bro, like 2008.
Yeah, right? Maybe not that much, you know, 2010.
No, güey. Oh, yeah.
Like 2010.
11.
Okay, 11, there you go, 11. Hopefully homeboy does a little, you know, just a little baby burnout. Or just a little takeoff. Hey man, I like the shirt, bro.
Para que todos me vean, güey. I did it last night.
5-0 with the slicks. Ready for some dig racing. Clean ass S2K. ¿Dónde está el S2K? The Porsche. Let's go take a video of the Porsche, guys. Come on. Put it in his face and shit. Like, hey.
Hoy.
Before I bought my RSX, I was really thinking about getting one of these. He's got a hard top. Most of them are convertible. Well, all of them are convertible. You gotta get the hard top extra. So that's one of the reasons I kind of backed away from it. But this will always be a legendary car. S2K. He said that homeboy was gonna, I don't know, burn out or something. Hey, at least he tried. That was about us, bro. You burn out, Oh shit. Alright, cuz, ahí nos vemos, cuz.
Está bueno, cuz.
¿Quién no, cuz?
Estamos, güey.
Alright.
Ahorita ya me voy a ir a hacer. ¿Por qué llanta, cuz?
Already,
Ahorita
cuz.
con mis camaradas, güey.
There's some couple details.
Oh yeah, hell yeah, güey.
Alright, bro.
I'm always ready, bro.
Gotcha. I'm gonna go clean up 2 cars right now, and maybe later we can hang out.
Yeah.
Alright, bro.
Está bueno, bro. Ahorita
Sí, le-
tengo que hacer mi coding en un carro, güey.
Looks like that was it for the meet. It was a small turnout, but we had fun.